Yes, you are a new U.S. immigrant, and yes, you are definitely eligible for a social security number. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating subject of social security number requirements and the eligibility of immigrants. The social security number is a unique identifier issued by the United States government, and it plays a vital role in various aspects of our lives, from employment to accessing government benefits. However, understanding the rules surrounding SSN requirements for immigrants can be complex and often misunderstood. So let's explore the key factors and criteria that determine an immigrant's eligibility for obtaining a social security number. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how the system works and the implications it has for immigrants in the United States. Let's get started! To apply for a social security number in the United States, you generally need to meet the following requirements. 1. Age. You must be at least 18 years old. However, if you are applying for an SSN for a child, there may be additional requirements. 2. Documentation. You need to provide specific documents to prove your identity, immigration status, and work eligibility. The required documents may vary based on your citizenship or immigration status. Generally, you will need a proof of identity. This can include a U.S. passport, a state-issued driver's license or ID card, or a foreign passport with work authorization. You will also need a proof of immigration status. This can include a permanent resident card or a green card, an employment authorization document, or other relevant documents based on your immigration status. Or you will need a work authorization. You may need to provide documents such as work visa, an I-94 arrival departure record, or an employment authorization document. 3. Completed application. You must fill out the Social Security Number application form, which is known as Form SS5. This form can be obtained from the Social Security Administration website or in person at a local Social Security office. And lastly, number 4, in-person interview. In certain cases, the Social Security Administration may require an in-person interview as part of the application process. Furthermore, immigrants in the United States are generally eligible to apply for a Social Security number, provided they meet certain requirements. The Social Security Administration allows immigrants who have authorization to work in the U.S. to apply for an SSN. The specific eligibility criteria for immigrants to obtain an SSN can vary depending on their immigration status. Here are a few common scenarios. 1. Lawful permanent residents or green card holders. Lawful permanent residents, commonly known as green card holders, are generally eligible to apply for an SSN. They will need to present their green card or immigrant visa documentation when applying. 2. Non-immigrant visa holders. Certain non-immigrant visa holders, such as those on work visas, H-1B, L-1, or student visas, F or M, may be eligible to apply for an SSN if they have authorization to work in the United States. They will need to provide documentation from the Department of Homeland Security. 3. Refugees and asylees. Refugees and asylees who have been granted legal status in the United States are eligible to apply for an SSN. And lastly, number 4, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals or DACA recipients. DACA recipients, who are individuals brought to the United States as children and granted temporary protection from deportation, are eligible to apply for an SSN if they have employment authorization. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned a thing or two about SSN requirements and its implications on immigrants. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.